The vagus nerve is a nerve that connects your brain to the rest of your body. This nerve is responsible for helping your entire body relax. Do you ever have something happen? Maybe you think a thought or somebody says something and your body just feels like it's going to go crazy? Your vagus nerve exists to help you calm down and relax. However, for that to work, we have to activate our vagus nerve. There are a bunch of things you can do to help your vagus nerve be healthy so you can calm down to a relaxed state. This is called vagal toning. One of these things that you can do is humming. Have you ever noticed the feeling that goes all over your body when you're happy and you're singing? Well, you can produce that feeling with just humming too. If you're ever feeling dysregulated, like your emotions are just going everywhere and you need to calm down, one thing you can do is you can hum. It goes like this. Hmmm. You can try different tones to see how that makes you feel. Hmmm. And you can always do quieter. Hmmm. And you can do louder. Hmmm. You can see what works best for you, what makes you feel good. Take a deep breath in and let it out with the hum. You have the ability to help yourself calm down.